Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Hey there fellow motorhead, it's your buddy Asher from Tinao Moto, and I have got a quick and easy fix for you all today. Ever faced the deadly loose air filter box issue after your ride been running strong for a solid decade?
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Well, you are not alone, and I'm here to show you how to tackle that problem in just 5 minutes flat. So grab your tools and let's get down to business. First off, massive shout out to all of you all have been supporting the Tinao Moto channel. You know, I appreciate every like, comment and subscribe. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the crew for more car-loving content. Now, let's dive into this fix. Over time, the air filter box can start to wiggle loose from all those intense rides and endless adventure. But fear not, because all you need is just a couple of minutes and some basic tools to get things back in place.
So this is the tools you need.
And there you have it folks, your air filter box is once again locked in tight, ready to keep that engine breathing clean and mean. I told you, it is a breeze. Thanks for tuning in to this quick fix on the Tinao Moto channel. If this saved your day, give that thumbs up, a solid tap, leave me a comment with your thoughts and share this video with your gearhead pals. Remember, it is all about love of the ride, the thrill of the fix and the joy of keeping our machine in top-notch condition. Until next time, stay driven and stay tuned. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.